Hi everyone, here's what's bothering me today. It's just something I kind of thought of recently when talking with some friends, but we kind of just had this light bulb moment of realizing, hey, anyone else kind of notice that the culinary industry is predominantly run and overseen by men, and yet the jokes are that women belong in the kitchen? What? So yeah, this did kind of get me thinking, and this isn't to say that only men can be professional chefs. That's not the case at all. In fact, actually, most of the professional chefs that I know are, in fact, women. But in terms of when you think about going to a restaurant, and probably most restaurants we have been to, when you look and you see who's in the kitchen, or you ask to see the chef or who the head chef is, it's like about maybe 8 or 9 times out of 10, it's a guy, right? So why is this the case? Why is it that the culinary industry is so dominated by men, despite arguably the vast majority of human history being one where women were predominantly homemakers and just staying home and being in the kitchen, doing laundry, all these other domestic duties from these past outdated styles? So why is this so dominated, right? And this has been going for you know centuries. Like we have the records of people as early as King Richard III, I think, and even earlier possibly, of the chefs in their court who were men and were sharing recipes with other people, saying, "This is what I made for the king today. Aren't I awesome?" So this has been going on for a long time. And having worked in a kitchen before, the humor is hilarious, if not appropriate for most ears. So it can be pretty rough inside kitchens. And yet there are plenty of women who endure it and plenty of women who thrive in it. Again, two of my friends locally here in my city are professional chefs. And actually, there's also a family member of mine who's a professional chef. I think she's just a line cook now, but she has that capacity of being a professional, like a professional chef at a restaurant. She works at several restaurants, and yet we don't see too many head chefs who are women, and that's bothering me today because it's something that should just clearly be there. We know men can cook. We know women can cook. So why aren't there more female cooks? So that's what's bothering me today.